Hey guys, how y'all doing? Good day here, nice weather. Got off work early, so I decided to put my new filter kit in. Got the 6637 kit from Riffraff. Comes with the filter itself, the little 4-inch coupler, and this clamp right here. All for $54 before shipping. I think it was on sale a little bit. Well, this pretty much wrapped it up here, but I'll catch y'all up. It's not a very complicated install at all. Well, first, get this out of the way. Take the cap off. Get the stock filter out of the way. And get at the stock box. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I used a 5/16 to get those out. And this little hole is where the sensor's at. Pop that out. You can see it kind of tucked in right there. Just zip tie it close, right next to the filter is all right. Just zip tie it right up on this thing right here. And then on the new clamp, that little tightening nut right there was an 11mm. Inside the filter, there's a little kind of like a seating groove for the coupler, so you know how far to push it in. Make sure it's in as far as it needs to go. It sits in there real nice. Tighten it up. Throw it in here. Tighten up the other side. A little bit of a tight squeeze. Fits in there real snug. The hood's probably gonna clamp down on it a little bit, but I've seen that in some other videos. Not that big a deal. But that's all there is to this one. This one's short and sweet. I'll fill it up here in a little bit, run another fuel mileage check, see if I got any gains there. Try to pay attention to any power gains, better throttle response, whatever I might get. I'll let y'all know in the comment of this video after I get those in, figure out what they are, whatever it might be. Hopefully I got something better out of this. A lot of good reviews on this filter kit. But that's all there is with this one, guys. Hope y'all have a good one.